Hello, I am the Magic Matt. It is about 1:22 in the morning, and I just had a thought that that if I could do something with my mind, transferring it to a deck of cards, that this illusion, this thing that just came to me, hopefully it helps me out in the future. So I'm gonna ask. Okay, no, look. I want you to look at the deck. Look at the deck. Okay, deck's completely normal. Okay, look. There's no funny business or anything, right? Just normal deck of cards, right?
Yes.
Cameraman, I would like you to pick a card.
I think I'm going to pick that one.
All right, show it to the camera. Make sure I don't see it. You got it?
Got it.
Okay, I want you to just stick it in the deck, right there. If you'd like. Okay, look, right. It's in the deck. Okay, look, no funny business or anything. Okay, now watch this. Okay, you can totally see, right? Watch this. I'm gonna.
You okay, buddy? Are you okay? Oh. What the?
Milk.
Yes, he did just do that.